everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into a topic that affects just about all of us: money. I mean, who doesn't want to save some cash, right? It's almost like trying to lose weight, but instead of counting calories, we're counting dollars. So we're talking about budgeting today, the fine art of deciding how to spend your money. It's basically creating a game plan for your finances, which, believe me, can change your life.
Wait. So, budgeting is kind of like putting your financial house in order? Really?
Exactly. Picture your finances like a house. If the foundation isn't solid, like knowing how much cash is coming in and going out, you might end up with some questionable renovations, or worse, a financial house that crumbles. I once knew a family who bought all this fancy furniture without budgeting, right? And then they ended up eating instant noodles every night. Not a pretty picture.
Haha, oh my gosh. Instant noodles every night? Was it like the family of four just sitting around slurping it up? That's wild.
Oh, totally. And you know what? When you start budgeting, one of the first things you want to do is determine your cash flow. Kind of like a river, it flows in and out. You've got to know how much is coming in to allocate it properly.
Right, but how do you even start doing that? Collecting all your receipts or something? That sounds so tedious.
It can be a bit of a chore, sure, but think of it like a treasure hunt. You're unearthing hidden details about your spending habits. Bring all your receipts from the last couple of months. It's like piecing together a puzzle.
And what about all those extra expenses like, I don't know, the random pizza delivery or that spontaneous shopping spree? Is there a way to trim that down?
Absolutely. Those are what we call variable costs. Fixed costs are things like mortgages and rent that you can't easily change, but variable costs, those can be cut back. I once helped a family who was dropping a couple $100 a month on takeout. They didn't realize that if they just cut takeout down to once a week, they could save loads. That's a new family trip right there.
Oh wow, that's like a trip to Disneyland. And what about credit cards? Ugh, they're like those pesky little gremlins that just keep getting bigger.
Haha, yes. That's a perfect analogy. Credit cards can easily lead to spending spirals. I mean, here's a fun phrase: skyrocket, like how gas prices seem to climb each week. Recognizing that and learning to cut back on credit card use can help you stay grounded.
So if I'm at the store stressing about how my favorite snack is on sale, I should just think, do I really need 10 bags of chips?
Exactly. It's all about prioritizing your needs versus wants. Create a list before you shop. It's sort of like playing a game of Tetris. You gotta fit what you need in, and not get distracted by all those brightly colored boxes.
Love the Tetris analogy. And speaking of colorful boxes, allowances? Did you have one growing up? That was a thing, right?
Oh, for sure. I was on a strict allowance, and it taught me so much about managing money. Kids should definitely learn early on how to handle cash, like budgeting mini adults.
Haha, mini adults. That sounds adorable. So, should I be doing a budgeting coach kind of thing with my kid?
Absolutely. Teaching them about allowances and what that means translates into real-life skills when they grow up. It's all about preparing them for adulting.
So, it's like giving them a cheat code for life? That's awesome!
Yes, and everyone listening, we want to hear about your experiences with allowances and budgeting too. How does it work in your country? There's so much to learn from each other.
Right? I can't wait to hear those stories. So, does anyone else feel like they could use a little financial fairy dust? This has been super enlightening.
Definitely. Keep those financial gears turning, everyone. Until next time, bye.